Good morning students. Good morning beta. Class 1 Oak. Good morning. And Shubho Vijaya. তোমাদের সবাইকে. How are you beta? I am fine Jerin. How are you? Yes beta. তোমাদের সবাইকে শুভ বিজয়া। আর অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা, অনেক অনেক আশীর্বাদ। ওকে? I hope you all are fine, fit and fine, and you spend your puja holidays nicely. Yes beta. সবাইকে শুভ বিজয়ার অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা, অনেক অনেক আশীর্বাদ। ওকে? Let's start now. আমাদের অনেক দিন গেছে, 1 week আমরা এনজয় করেছি পুজোয়। এবার আমাদের একটু একটু করে পড়াশোনা করতে হবে, তাই তো? গুড মর্নিং বেটা, গুড মর্নিং। নাও উই উইল স্টার্ট আওয়ার স্টাডি। ওকে? সবাইকে শুভ বিজয়ার অনেক অনেক ভালোবাসা, অনেক অনেক আশীর্বাদ। ওকে? লেটস স্টার্ট নাও। ইউ অল প্লিজ check out your math composite book. Previous class before vacation we have completed of our math composite book chapter number 12. Chapter number 12 still page number 103 is completed. Next, addition with carrying. This one we will not solve now. So today we will start our next chapter. Chapter number 13. You all please open chapter number 13 and page number 107. 107. Okay. You all please take out your math magic book and open page number 107. Subtraction of 2-digit numbers. Okay? The heading subtraction of chapter name is subtraction of 2-digit number. Wait. First I will take your attendance beta. Please wait sometimes. Then I will start. Okay. No, this one. Why it is not going? Wait. How to write the name? Eight here. Eight told. Now write down. Wait beta, first I will take your attendance, then I will start the class. Okay? Obronil Choudhury, Odrij Goswami, Ahona Ghosh, AHNA, Onik Nondi, Honorinno Palit, Honorinno, ANNRINYA, Honorinno. আচ্ছা, Anshika Pathok, অন্তরা সাউ, নেক্সট হচ্ছে অন্তরীপ দালাল, অনুষ্কা নন্দী, অরিত্র গড়াই, অরিত্রী প্রামাণিক, আরুষি সরকার, জেরিন সুলতানা, আরুষি সরকার, জেরিন সুলতানা, মাহফুজুর রহমান মলিক, MAHFUJUR, মাহফুজুর রহমান মলিক, ওয়েন্দ্রী চক্রবর্তী, রিশান চৌধুরী, ঋষভ দেবনাথ, রিশান RISHAAN, and ঋষভ দেবনাথ, শরণ্যা দত্তা, SHARANYA, Sharanya Datta, Ujan Ghotok. 19. Let's check. 19. In my class also. 20 are showing, means 1 myself. Okay, let's start now. You all please take out your math composite book. You all please take out your math composite book, beta. Page number 107. 107. I hope you all have opened. Let's start now. In this page, I will explain how to solve this math. 25 minus 13. 25 minus 13. How to explain 25? 25 minus 13. How to explain 25? 25 means 2 tens, 2 tens and 5 ones. 2 tens and 5 ones. 13. 13 means 1 10 and 3 ones. 1 10 and 3 ones. Now subtract. Yes, Rishabh. Rishabh, this is subtraction, beta, not addition. Not addition. Okay, beta. Now subtract 5 minus 3. 5 minus 3 means 2. 2 ones. 2 ones. 2 tens minus 1 10 equal to 1 10. 1 10 and 2 ones. That means number is 12 equal to 12. 1 10 and 2 ones means 12. 1 10 and 2 ones means 12. Understood? In this way you have to solve the maths. I will explain one more math in this page. 89 minus 36. How to expand this number? 89. 89 means 8 tens and 9 ones. And 36. 36 means 3 tens and 6 ones. 3 tens and 6 ones. Now subtract 9 minus 6. 9 minus 6 means 3. 3 ones. 8 tens minus 3 tens means 5 tens. 5 tens and 3 ones. Yes, very good. 5 tens and 3 ones. You all will solve this maths in your book. Okay, beta? 5 tens and 3 ones equal to 53. What is the number? 5 tens and 3 ones means 53. The number is 53. In this page, one more math already explained. Solve, subtract 52 from 97. From 97, you have to subtract 52. 97 equal to 9 tens and 7 ones. And 52 equal to 5 tens and 2 ones. Now subtract 7 minus 2 equal to 5 and 9 minus 5 equal to 4. The answer is 45. Okay. Nothing, no need to solve in this page. Already solved. All the maths done for you. Now please turn over the next page. You all please turn over the next page. We will solve this page now. Subtract. You all please turn over the next page. 108. 108. You all please open 108. 108. Now the first math. 54 minus 51. 54 minus 51. 54 minus 51. 54 equal to 5 tens and 4 ones. And 51 equal to 5 tens and 1 1. Now subtract these two maths. This first subtract ones. 4 minus 1. 4 minus, yes, very good. 4 minus 1 equal to 3. 3 ones. And 5 tens minus 5 tens. If you have 5 pencils, if suppose you have given all the pencils to your brother, then how many pencils do you have? No pencils, 0. So 5 minus 5 equal to 0. 0, 10 and 3 ones. So what is the number? The number is, what is the number? 0, 10s and 3 ones means 3. Yes, very good all of you, very good. Now next math, we will solve next math. 46 minus 32. 46 minus 32. 46 equal to 4 tens and 6 ones. And 32 equal to 3 tens and 2 ones. 6 ones minus 6 ones minus 2 ones. 6 1 minus 2 ones means 4 ones. And 4 tens minus 3 tens equal to 1 10. 1 10 and 4 ones. 1 10 and 4 ones. Yes, very good all of you. Very good beta. Equal to 1 10 and 4 ones means 14. The number is 14. Very good all of you. I hope completed. Can I rub the board? Next two maths I will solve now. Okay, next math. (78 minus 34). 78 minus 34. 78 equal to 7 tens and 8 ones. And 34 equal to 3 tens and 4 ones. Now subtract 8 ones minus 8 ones minus 4 ones means 4 ones. 7 minus 3, 7 tens minus 3 tens, 4 tens, 4 tens and 4 ones. What is the number? 4 tens and 4 ones equal to 44. 4 tens and 4 ones equal to 44. Okay, very good, very good. Auditory, very good beta. Next, 93 minus 50. 93 minus 50. 93 means 9 tens and 3 ones. And 50, 5 tens and 0 1. Now subtract 3 ones minus 0 ones, 3 ones. And 9 minus 5, 9 tens minus 5 tens, 4 tens and 3 ones. 4 tens and what is this, Ahuna? 4, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. This is your answer. 4 tens and 3 ones. 43 equal to 43. 4 tens and 3 ones means 43. I hope you have completed these two maths, right? Very good all of you. Sharona, Risha, Bonnie, Kantora, Jarin, Oindri. Okay, fine. Now we will solve next two maths. 87, next three. 87 minus 43. 87 minus 43. 87 means 8 tens and 7 ones, and 43 means 4 tens and 3 ones. Now subtract 7 minus 3. 7 minus 3 equal to 4. 4 ones. 4 ones, and 8 minus 4. 8 tens minus 4 tens. 4 tens and 4 ones. 4 tens and 4 ones. The number is 44. Very good. Very good. Sharona, Odrit, Rishabh, Onik, Ahona, Wendri. Very good, beta. 4 tens and 4 ones. The number is 44. Ansika, what is going on, beta? Now, next I will solve next math. 74 minus 54. 74 minus 54. Dash 74 means 7 tens and 4 ones, and 54 means 5 tens and 4 ones. Now subtract 4 ones minus 4 ones means 0. 4 minus 4 equal to 0. And 7 minus 5, 7 minus 5, 2, 2 tens and 0 1, 2 10 and 0 ones. The number is The number is 20. The number is 20, 2, 0, 20. 2 tens and 0, 1 means 20. Completed? Have you completed this math? This math have you completed, beta? Okay, next math. I will solve next math now. Okay, very good. 66 minus 23. 66 minus 23. 66 minus 23. 66 equal to 6 tens and 6 ones, and 23 equal to 2 tens and 3 ones. Now subtract 6 1 minus 3 ones. 6 1 minus 3 ones means 3 1. 6 minus 3 equal to 3, and 6 minus 2. 6 tens minus 2 tens. 4 tens. 4 tens and 3 ones. 4 tens and 3 ones equal to, what is the number? The number is 43. Yes, very good all of you. Audrey, Joendri, Onik, Jarin, Sharona, Ahona, Rishabh, Auditri, very good, beta. You all please complete this page. You all will complete this page. 4 tens and 3 ones equal to 43. Okay. Okay, very good, Antara. Next class, I will discuss 109 and 110, and then I will teach you how to draw a clock. What does the time shows? I will draw a clock, and you have to tell what time shows in this clock, okay, and how to draw a clock, how to draw the time, okay. Next class I will discuss next 2 pages and then how to draw a clock. For today this much. See you next class. Thank you. Have a nice day.